that?
Oh my god.
Let's see, what did you find for ratchet people?
I found a ratchet tutorial
Oh,
by this guy. This guy is giving a ratchet tutorial. Oh my goodness gracious.
Yeah, you gotta be ratchet.
Okay, we're gonna find a video about ratchet. Video.
Like, Juicy J thinks about it all the time.
I don't know.
Right.
About that.
And you're just like, ah, yeah. Yeah.
What ratchet girls think before a fight?
Yeah. Ratchet, it's a whole lifestyle. Like,
Why would you want to be part of that lifestyle?
and sometimes.
I bet you
it's-
Miley Cyrus wants to be part
Yeah.
of
Oh,
that.
for sure.
Miley Cyrus is ratchet. Yes. What she did at the award show is ratchet.
So,
That's exact. That's
oh,
You gotta take your script, yeah.
Alright now. So today, this video is finna talk. I'm finna tell y'all about how ratchet girls. So we just don't play music. Oh my god. Who let her come out that house? OMG, what do she have on?
I've heard this song before. They like remix stuff or something.
His sidekick is the best.